am not seeing flowers.
These are annuals. Just wondering if they have any Alyssa.
Oh, I wasn't looking for Alyssa. I was looking for flowers.
Wow, look at this. When you put this on the ground, it would be awesome. All these flowers, and we have more. It's not bad. And actually here it's 359. On the other side it's only 249. There's more hanging plants in here, and look at this. It's only for $2.99. Am I correct? Yeah, but this this is awesome for $2.99. That's not bad.
Future garden.
So let's see how much this is. Look, this spreads. And this one is magic carpet creeping thyme. Wow. Look at that. Okay, let's go to the other side. Look how pretty this one here. Yeah, the other store they don't have much yet, but here there's so many flowers already blooming. I think this is begonia. And let's see this one as well. Little gem candler. There you go. Spring is here, and now it's time to buy plants again. Look how pretty these are. Wow, very healthy. Let's see what we have here. I like this one. There's no flower yet, but look, it's Millennium Ornamental Onion. There you go. I like the color. Wow. It's always nice to look around and see what we can buy for the garden. I'm always looking forward to gardening, and look at this. This is so nice. And this one, it's pretty. And there's more on the other side. How pretty that is. Then we'll look at this here as well. This one is called rock cress, Arabic red sensation. I hope I pronounced that right. Oh, wow, this would be perfect in the garden. And the other side, it's just blooming. Hasn't opened yet. And let's look on this as well. So this is called Splendid Sea Thrift. There you go. Oh, actually, it's this one. Splendid Sea Thrift. There. And how about this? Let's see what kind of plant this is. This one is called Gold Dust Animus or Alyssum. Gold Dust Alyssum. Wow, these are so pretty.